We gotta make sure we behave on the road because, you know, whenever we go out to drive, people notice who we are. Of course, they don't like us, they're envious, but then they know who the gang leader is. It's not good for my reputation. This is not a race. Just be yourself. You don't need to drive to impress. Idea is to enjoy you and your car and some noise with a little bit of scenery. Sounds good?
So we go back?
I think we'll turn around.
Yeah, it's stupid, right?
I think we could actually keep going. Guys and fans do say the roads are pretty clear.
It's only for the pros. That's all I can say.
A little bit different. I like the broom the best.
The broom? What happened with the broom?
There's a broom right in the middle of the highway. You didn't see that? You must be in front of it.
Terrifying. Terrifying, but I'm excited that we made it. So yeah, terrifying. I usually just drive with my eyes closed, actually.
Well, that's better, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You can't get scared.
Safety first. Safety
That's
first.
right. You'll never get scared.
Is that our auto rock?
Big time, rocks everywhere. Just look around.